Welcome to the class of Environmental Awareness and Disaster Management. In this session, we will be able to understand the meaning of pollution, elucidating air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, nuclear pollution, etc. Pollution is becoming the biggest problem in today's times. Our environment is badly polluted. The causes of environmental pollution include fossil fuel emission from power plants, pollution from vehicles, high quantity of exhaust gases, chemical effluents, pollutants, soil erosion, etc. Now, let's discuss types of pollution. Air pollution. It is caused due to the release of toxic chemicals and particulate matter into the air. Water pollution. It is caused due to the discharge of sewage, untreated wastes and chemicals from fertilizers and pesticides from domestic and industrial areas into rivers, lakes and other sources of surface water. Soil pollution. It is caused due to the overuse or spillage of chemicals into the soil layers. Noise pollution. It is caused due to high intensity, harmful noise levels from vehicles, aircraft and industries. Thermal pollution. It is caused due to the artificially induced change in the temperature of natural water bodies. Marine pollution. It is caused due to the spillage of oil and the dumping of waste materials in the oceans and the seas. Nuclear pollution. It is caused due to the disposal of chemicals and accidents in nuclear power reactors where radioactive materials are released into the environment. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone forms air pollution, it's called smog. Some air pollutants are poisonous. Sources of air pollution. Households, industries, transport, agriculture, waste. Effects of air pollution. Respiratory and heart problems, global warming, acid rain, loss of wildlife, ozone layer depletion. Preventive measures. A. To use more public modes of transportation. B. To replace petrol and diesel running vehicles by electric vehicles. C. To generate power using nuclear and renewable sources of energy. D. To switch over to cleaner fuels such as natural gas. To implement the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, recycle. Water pollution. Water pollution happens when pernicious substances such as chemicals or microorganisms enter a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer or any other water body and harm the quality of water. India and China have the highest levels of water pollution. In India, about 580 people die of waterborne diseases every day. Types of water pollution. Surface water pollution, groundwater pollution. Cause of water pollution. Agriculture, sewage, wastewater, radioactive wastes. Preventive measures. A. Use less plastic. B. Reuse items. C. Use recyclable options. D. Use cleaning chemicals. And Do not dispose oils in the sink. Soil pollution. Soil pollution refers to the presence of chemicals or out-of-place substances in higher than normal concentrations in the soil, which has harmful effects on plants and animals. Most contaminants are added to the soil due to human activities. Types of soil pollution: point source pollution, diffuse pollution, industrial activities, urban and transport infrastructures, waste and sewage generation and disposal, and many more. Effects of soil pollution. A. By direct contact with soil or inhalation of contaminants from the soil. B. By infiltration of soil contaminants into the groundwater. C. By consuming food grown in the polluted soil. Preventive measures. A. Digging of the polluted soil and transporting it to a disposal site far away from sensitive ecosystem pathways. B. Heating the polluted soil to raise the subsurface temperature so much that volatile chemical contaminants are evaporated from the soil. C. Confining soil contaminants by capping or paving over the polluted area. D. Drawing out contaminated groundwater or soil vapor by using an active electromechanical system and then removing the contaminants from the extracted groundwater or vapor. The remaining topics we will cover in the next session. Thank you and see you again.